Are you tired of overpaying for so-called travel essentials that end up being completely useless? What if I told you there are products out there that can dramatically transform your travel experience? Items that seasoned travelers rely on but almost never share publicly. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 10 underrated travel products that have genuinely saved my trips time and time again. These aren't your typical packing list items. They're the secret weapons that travel pros use to stay comfortable, save space, and solve problems that most tourists don't even know how to address. Let's dive into these game changers that you need to add to your travel arsenal immediately. Number 1. The portable bidet. Let's start with something a bit unconventional but absolutely revolutionary: a travel bidet. Now, before you click away, hear me out. If you've ever traveled to countries where bathroom situations are unpredictable, you'll understand why this tiny gadget is worth its weight in gold. This discreet attachment connects to any standard plastic water bottle, making it incredibly lightweight and portable. Simply tuck it into your toiletry bag, and you're set for any bathroom emergency. Pro tip: fill your bottle with warm water when possible, and make sure to keep the original cap on until you need to use it. Trust me on that one. But what if I told you the next item has actually helped me make friends around the world? Sounds crazy, right? Number 2. The square water bottle. This square water bottle might look simple, but it's been the single biggest upgrade to my travel experience. And no, not just because it keeps me hydrated. The unique shape has actually become an incredible conversation starter. I can't tell you how many amazing locals and fellow travelers have approached me asking about it, which has led to exchanging stories and getting insider tips on hidden gems I never would have discovered otherwise. But the practicality is where it really shines. The flat design fits perfectly in small purses, sling bags, and, this is crucial, it sits flat in airplane seat pockets without falling out or taking up precious legroom space. At 17 ounces, it's the perfect companion for day excursions, easily refillable wherever you go. Think that's clever? Wait until you see how the next item solves one of the most annoying beach and pool problems. Number 3. Towel bands. If you're heading to a beach destination or planning pool time, these towel bands are about to become your new best friend. Forget those bulky plastic clips that take up luggage space and can break easily. These flat, lightweight bands secure your towel to lounge chairs better than anything else I've tried, especially on those thick, cushioned resort loungers. They're not just for saving your spot when you head to grab lunch. They're a lifesaver on windy days when your towel keeps blowing away or slipping down behind you while you're trying to read. Pro tip: they also work perfectly for hanging wet swimwear in hotel bathrooms without damaging the towel racks. Here's something you probably never thought to pack, but your body will thank you after those long-haul flights. Number 4. Cork Lacrosse Ball. One of our amazing viewers suggested this upgrade, and I'm forever grateful. While I've previously recommended rubber massage balls, this cork version is vastly superior. It's significantly lighter, which matters when you're trying to stay under weight limits. And unlike silicone or rubber options, it doesn't collect lint and fuzz from the bottom of your bag. The real magic happens when you use it to roll out tight knots in your back, shoulders, and especially under your feet after a day of exploring. Just press it against a wall or under your foot and roll. Instant relief from travel fatigue without paying for an expensive massage. Speaking of comfort, the next item addresses something most travelers completely overlook. Number 5. Travel slippers. Never, and I mean never, walk barefoot on hotel room carpets. Those things are rarely cleaned properly, and you don't want to know what's hiding in those fibers. That's why I always pack lightweight travel slippers. They're especially valuable in destinations with cold tile floors like Mexico or the Caribbean, where the contrast between hot outside temperatures and aggressively air-conditioned rooms can leave your feet freezing. After logging 20,000 plus steps exploring, your feet deserve this little luxury. I recommend finding a waterproof pair that compresses flat in your suitcase. Bonus points if they're comfortable enough for long flights too. Frustrated by soggy soap making a mess in your toiletry bag? The next secret solves this common travel annoyance instantly. Number 6. Matador Soap Pouch. For those of us who prefer to bring our own soap or solid shampoo bars when traveling, this is a game changer. The Matador Soap Pouch lets you pack your soap while it's still wet. Yes, you heard that right. The pouch features a breathable yet impermeable membrane that seemingly defies physics. Your wet soap bar goes in, and the next time you reach for it, it's completely dry with zero mess. No more dealing with slimy Ziploc bags or leaving soap behind because it's too wet to pack. Pro tip: these pouches are also perfect for collecting small seashells or beach treasures without getting sand throughout your belongings. Airlines don't tell you this next secret, but it could save your skin, literally. Number 7. Solid sunscreen stick. We all know how important sunscreen is, but here's what most travelers miss. You're significantly more susceptible to sun damage at 30,000 feet. That's why I never board a plane without this Supergoop solid sunscreen stick. Since it's not a liquid, it won't count against your precious TSA allowance. And because it's in stick form, you don't have to apply it with your hands that have been touching all those germy airplane surfaces. The SPF 50 protection and moisturizing formula combat that brutally dry cabin air, leaving your skin protected and hydrated. Want to know how travel photographers protect their gear without sacrificing luggage space? This next secret is brilliant. Number 8. Protective wrap. If you've struggled to pack cameras, tablets, or other fragile items without bulky protective cases, this ingenious wrap is the solution you've been searching for. It's soft enough to protect against scratches and bumps, yet sticks to itself when folded, staying securely wrapped around your valuables. This isn't a replacement for heavy-duty cases, but for saving significant space while still protecting your gear, nothing compares. Simply wrap your device and nestle it between clothing or packing cubes for added protection. I also pack an extra when souvenir shopping. You never know when you'll find that perfect but fragile keepsake that needs protection on the journey home. Airlines and luggage handlers aren't exactly known for their gentle touch after all. The next item might be tiny, but it solves one of the biggest travel annoyances I hear about. Number 9. Micro bag. For those times when a full purse is overkill but you still need somewhere to stash essentials, this micro bag is perfect. This one's from Lululemon, but there are plenty of affordable alternatives online. It comfortably holds cards, cash, lip balm, hair ties, and even wireless earbuds, while the elastic band lets you wear it on your wrist or attach it to water bottles and other bags. It's ideal for quick excursions, beach days, or situations where you want to travel light without sacrificing essentials. I use mine constantly during dog walks at home, especially with pocketless athleisure wear, making it a versatile investment for travel and everyday life. And finally, if you've given up on ever sleeping comfortably on planes, this last secret might just change your life. Number 10. Head-stabilizing sleep mask. I've tried every travel pillow on the market, the neck donuts, inflatable pillows, and scarf-style supports. None of them worked for me until I discovered this game-changing design. This isn't your standard travel pillow. It's a combination eye mask and head stabilizer that attaches to the adjustable headrest flaps on airplane seats. The wraparound Velcro design prevents the dreaded head bob and keeps your neck stable, allowing for actual restful sleep rather than that painful jerking awake when your head falls. For this to work, you'll need a seat with adjustable headrests, which most modern aircraft have. If you're unsure about your specific flight, look up your aircraft type and find a recent YouTube review showing the seats. And yes, for my fellow shorter travelers wondering, I'm 5 feet 1 inch, and it works perfectly for me. Taller travelers may find it even more comfortable. Important note, like most sleep aids, you'll need to stow this during taxi, takeoff, and landing. Flight attendants will remind you if you forget. So, there you have it. 10 underrated travel products that can transform your travel experience in ways those overpriced airport essentials never will. These items have saved me countless times from common travel headaches and truly elevated my journeys. Which of these secret travel products do you think you'll try first on your next trip? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've discovered your own underrated travel gem, share it with our community. I'm always looking for new travel hacks to test out. If you found these secrets helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Passport Pro for more insider travel knowledge that the tourism industry doesn't want you to know. Sign up for my email newsletter for exclusive tips and behind-the-scenes insights that don't make it to YouTube. Safe travels, and I'll see you on the next adventure.